Hello my dear friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix PC blue screen on a startup. So first you need to disconnect all the external devices like USB drives, printers kind of things. Then after restart your computer and check the issue is still happening or not. So if it is not fixed your issue, you have to boot into the advanced startup options. You can do by just restart your computer by just hold the power button to force shutdown. Repeat this two to three times, then it will be automatically goes to repair mode. Then you need to select the advanced option. Then in the second menu you need to select troubleshoot and advanced options. From advanced option select the startup repair option, and it will be automatically fix the issue using Windows diagnosis system. And other than that, you can again go to the advanced option and choose the startup setting. Then after restart, once restarting, you need to press F4 or 4 to enter safe mode, and the safe mode is using minimal drivers, and it will be help to fix the issues related with the other drivers kind of things, because it is running on only necessary softwares and drivers. So once you are in the safe mode, you have to able to uninstall the recent updates or drivers. So once you are in safe mode, you need to go to setting and update and security. I will show you how to do that. First go to start menu and go to setting and go to Windows update. Go to update history. Scroll down and go to uninstall updates. So you can see all the updates that are currently on your computer. If once you click on that drive update, you will be able to find uninstall option in here. So these are the these are not uninstallable, so that's why it is not showing. So once you are able to find the uninstall button here, just uninstall that latest update. Then after restart your computer, and again close this one and close this one. Again go to right click on the start menu, go to device manager, and if you recently update your drivers, as an example, if you update your graphic driver, right click on the driver, tap on uninstall and tick this one and tap on uninstall. So it will be uninstall the latest updated driver. Once it is done, close this one, and you are currently in safe mode. So in the safe mode, again go to search bar and search for command prompt. Right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type sfc /scan now and hit enter. Then it will be fix the corrupted file on your computer. Once it is done, you need to type dism /online /clean up -image and /restore health, like this. Then after hit enter, and this also clean the image and restore the health. Once it is done, close this one, and you can check the disk errors for this one. Again go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. This time you need to type chkdsk /f /r and hit enter, and this will check the disk errors. Once it is done, close this one, and you need to restart your computer. All the above methods are not working. You have to restore your system to particular date, that is computer perfectly fine working. So you need to come to the advanced option again, and in that menu you need to select the system restore. Choose the restore point date before the blue screen issue happening, and it will be roll back your system files into that perfectly working state on that day. And other than that, again go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows updates, and if you pause your updates, just resume it, and if you see check for update button, just tap on it. Then it will be check and download the latest Windows update. All the methods are not working. You have to check for hardware issues. So you can change your RAM cards and change your internal connections kind of thing, and you can change your CMOS battery. for 1 to 2 minutes and again plug in. And if you see some kind of overheating kind of thing, you have to show your computer into the computer technician. So these are the method you can try to fix your blue screen error. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.